are you, Baba?
Fine, you.
Come take a seat here.
Thank you.
Alright, let's put your information into the computer. Okay, your first name? First test we're going to do, we're going to only use this one green button. You don't have to worry about any of the other buttons on the board. The only button you have to worry about is this green button here. Okay, so push the green button for me. Okay, now can you see on the screen these dots over here are busy moving around? And can you see when we get 4 dots together like that, it makes a perfect square. Okay, when you see the square on the screen, you're going to push the green button. Okay, so push it for me. And let's practice a little bit now. You see that dots is moving? You see there's a square? Now push the button. Yeah. Now whenever you see a square like that, you're going to push the green button for me. So look carefully. You see that one over there? Yeah. Look carefully because the square can be anywhere on the screen. You see that one? You must look carefully. Good. Only when you see the square.
There, I can see them.
Okay, Eddie, now we're going to start with the second test. Okay, now in this test we're going to use these colored buttons here, as well as these 2 buttons in the middle, and also the foot pedals by your feet. Alright, so what color is this one here?
Green,
That one there?
yellow,
This one?
white, red, blue.
Okay, so you can tell the difference between all the colors. Okay, now when you see the color on the screen come up, you're going to push the same color on the board. Alright, but make sure to use 2 hands, okay, because if you use one hand it's not fast enough. I need you to use 2 hands. Alright, so push the yellow for me, blue for me.
Maybe confused on this color.
Good. Yeah, you're doing well. Keep going. Good. Okay, look carefully. Can you see the green one there and the green one there? Make sure that's the green one, alright.
It's funny.
So push the green for me.
It's funny green, that one.
Good. Okay, so now those are just the colors. Now we're going to see what these 2 buttons do. Okay, so push the grey one for me. Can you hear it makes a beep?
Yeah.
Now push the black one. Makes a boop. Can you hear the difference between the 2? Okay, push them again so you can hear the difference. Okay, now when you hear the beep, you're going to push the grey. When you hear the boop, you're going to push the black. Alright, so wait for the noise. Okay, good. So that's just the sounds. Okay, now you can see by your feet, okay, you've got 2 pedals there, one for the right foot, one for the left foot. Okay, push the right one for me, push the left one for me, push the right one for me. Okay, so make sure when you push the pedal, only push it once. When you see the light come on the right hand side, you're going to push the right pedal. When you see the light on the left hand side, you're going to push the left pedal. Okay, so wait for the light. Good. Okay, so now we've practiced the colors, we've practiced the sounds, and we've practiced the feet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to practice all of them at the same time. Okay, so let's practice here. Push the blue for me and we can start. Right. Good. Okay, good. So that was very fast. Now we're going to practice it again, but we're going to practice it, it's going to be a little bit slower. So when you push the button, if the signal doesn't go away, just make sure to push it once. Don't push it again. Alright? So let's practice again. Push the blue for me.